Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money by installing apps and also the best app and the best way to install apps and get money. So I am Shafi, you're watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. First you have to connect to internet and tap on mobile data. So after connecting to the internet, go to Play Store and after going to Play Store, type data buddy. After typing data buddy, here is the first one and here you can see the 5 million downloads and 4.1 rating. So tap on install and here you can see it was downloading. So let it download first of all and so guys, here you can see what downloaded. Now it's installing. So let install and tap on open. So after tapping on open, here you can see the logo. Yes, here you can see the logo. So tap on yellow and tap on sign up. After you have to give your mobile number. So I'll give my mobile number. So tap on get OTP and after tap on OK. And here you can see reading OPT received and here you can see we have got OTP. So tap on continue. So here you can see we have 10 rupees. So I'll show you the total options. So first tap on offers. Now here you can see invite and it means that you can invite your friends and you can earn 12 rupees. And here you can see answer 4 questions and earn 115 rupees Paytm cash. And here you can see some apps like Sparpic, Genie, UEC Browser, RewardMe, Spring Fast, and those all apps. With those apps you can earn money. So here you can see the Paytm app. Install and open Paytm app to get 4 rupees. So just tap on this offer. After tap on start this offer now. Offer will redirect to the Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store and tap on install. So guys, the app was downloaded, so it's installing. So we have to install the app and we have to open. So you will get 4 rupees. So we have downloaded. So the second step is we have to open it. So let it install. And now we have to open. Tap on open. And here you can see data buddy. Congrats, you have received one free bit. So I will give my login details. So I tap on do it later and tap on yellow and you can see we have downloaded the Paytm and we have opened. So go back to the data buddy app. And now here you can see we have 14 rupees. So before we have 10 rupees, so after downloading the Paytm we have got 4 rupees. So tap on offers and here you can see in progress. There are no apps. After some time you will get the Paytm app in this progress app. So here we got this 4 rupees for Paytm app. And you also have videos. If you watch a video then you will get 10 paisa. So I'm going to download another app. So let me see some best apps. And you can see install and register on Flick to get 3. So I'm going to start this offer now. So tap on start this offer now and it will redirect to the Play Store. And here you can see tap on install. and here it was downloading. So we have to download and we have to register. So it was downloaded. So the second step is to register. So tap on open. And we have to restart the app. So let's start this. And click, go back. Click, yeah. Now you can see to the register. So we have to enter the name and the mobile number. So if you have any referral code, then you can type, otherwise you can directly tap on continue. And after tap on continue, and here you can see it, you will get an SMS on the number. So let's wait. And here you can see thanks for installing Flick. So complete. So select your language, I'll select English. Skip. And yes, here we have registered successfully. So again go back and go to data buddy. And let's wait for a while so that the will get money. And so guys, so you can see the balance 14. If you have at least 50 rupees, then you can directly transfer to the Paytm. So guys, so let's see the second option. And here the second offer is called Star Pick. And it was loading slow. And the Star Pick is really some bad offer in my thoughts. And here you can see a third amazing offer called Bid. So guys, Bid is a really best. It gives you to buy many of mobiles, and here you can see the Bid. So you must log into Facebook. So I log into Facebook. And here you can see that Realme 1 mobile is at 13,990 and the board base head in earphones. And if you want you can buy bits. So I have 2 bits and you can't buy anything with those 2 bits, right? Okay. And another option is called news. Videos news are really best one to read. So if you want to read any news, then using this you can read news. And the fourth option is called viral. Viral means the all type of trending news. And those are the 4 options. So let's go to the menu, and here you can see invite and so tap on invite and here you can have some apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, IMO, SMS and more. And yeah, so after inviting, if your friend installs and register on data buddy, then you will get 12 rupees app soon. And we have the wallet. So tap on wallet. Here you can see we have 14.0 rupees balance. And here you can have translations. And here you can see for joining we have got 10 rupees, and for Paytm app install we have got 4 rupees. So total 14 rupees. Rate as counted as message notification terms and conditions. So here you can see the also invite option. So guys, I have installed the Paytm app and I got 4 rupees. So let me install another one app to give a proof. And first let me see a video. And here you can see congrats, you got rupees 3 for installing Flick. And let's refresh the app. And here you can see 17 rupees. 14 plus 3, 17 rupees. And let me show you one video to get 10 pies. So tap on the first one. And I will reduce the sound, otherwise it will be copyright. Okay. Oh, the video is not coming at all. I don't know why. And yes. Here you can see we have to wait 12 seconds for this video. And here you can see the number 8, 7, 6, 5 4 3 2 1 0. So tap on into. So after transaction successful, second go back. Already we have watched one video. So if you watch this video again, then you will get 10 pies. Each video is equal to 10 pies. Go back. You can see translation successful. And here you have 17.2 rupees. So guys, I showed you the proof of this app. So DataBuddy is a really best app to get money by installing apps. So guys, this is not any type of sponsored video. This is my own video to show you that how to earn money by installing apps. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you have any doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.